I'm X-rays, and I'm gonna be continuing with this. I guess it's technically a series now, isn't it? Of um, well, code modding tutorials. So I'm gonna keep going with patching because I want to patch every single overload of physics.raycast. So let me just get the metadata. It open, please. Yeah, there it is. Okay. Cast. I'll just look for it here. They are. Okay. And so far, we've just patched this overload here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go through these other methods, and I think I'm just gonna patch them individually. All right. I'm gonna rename this to Raycast patches. Yeah, let me keep this open actually because I'm gonna need it. Raycast. Suppose I should like name it postfix1 or something. And here, let's change that to get method postfix1. And okay, so let's get started with this. Vector 3 origin and then vector 3 direction. Okay. Origin, vector 3 direction. And outbreak as hit info. Go. What did I just do? Okay. Hit info. Float max distance and int layer mask. Okay. What is it whining about here? Hit info must be assigned to before control user current method. I think I can just assign it to itself, can't I? Does that work or does that compile or error? Okay. So I don't think I need to actually use the hit info from that. So I'll just. Oh, wait a minute. Okay. Never mind. So I just realized something. This still has origin, direction, and max distance. And so do these. This one too. So it seems to me like I don't need to do anything. I can just use the same postfix for it. Okay. Alright. So I should probably split this into its own method. Alright, let's go private because I don't really think we're gonna need to call this from anywhere else. Fetch array casts. Okay. We're gonna call patch raycasts. And this, I think I'm just gonna like leave it like this. Yeah, the method info, and then alright. I'm good with that. Ah, I hate that insert thing. Ah, okay. Oh, my bad. My fault, OG. Yeah, you can't insert does OVR here. I don't really know why. Maybe like overwrite. Okay. Alright. And then let's just copy and paste this like 4 times. And this is raycast hit. I'm not sure how it's gonna work with an out parameter though, but we'll see. Okay, vector 3, hit info, raycast hit, and then it's a float, then int. Type of float, type of int. Actually, why don't I just make a new method here? Yeah. Method postfix1 equals, we can just construct from this. Yeah. Okay. Okay. And then IntelliSense is just gonna go. Yep. Alright, cool. And then type of yeah. So this is vector 3 float int query trigger interaction. Okay. Float int type of query trigger interaction. And this one is float int. Okay, so int, and we already got this one, and then this one's gonna need to go to a new patch, but I will keep going with this one. Actually, no, I need this. Oh, no, this one has a max distance. Okay. Vector 3 out, hit info, and then type of flow. Okay, got it. Raycast hit. Okay, so all of these will lead straight to postfix 1, which is this one. And then, because these don't have max distances, I'm gonna need to make a new override for postfix 1. Actually, alternatively, I could just set this to 1F. I could do that. Set up. Okay. I'll just. Okay, no, but at this point, why wouldn't I just make the same? Alright, I'm gonna look up the Harmony docs for what the move here is, if there's like multiple overrides for the same method. Or I guess I could just like test it on myself. Give me a sec. Actually, you know what? I'm just gonna comment this out and I'm just gonna try patching like the entire thing at once. Oh wait, no. Oh wait, oh wait, yes. Oh, okay. Harmony instance dot patch type of get method physics. I wonder what it will do, because Raycast has a bunch of overloads. I suppose we will see. I'm gonna pause the recording and I'll unpause it when the game is done loading. Well, I suppose we have our answer. Whoops! Okay, so we do actually need to find every single instance of, maybe not instance, but we need to get every single overload of Raycast and patch them individually. And I'm just gonna use postfix 1 for that. So yeah. This is kind of tedious, so I'll pause the recording and come back once I've finished patching all these. Once I've gotten all the overloads done. And then maybe I will stop the recording and then immediately start another about asset bundles and stuff. So yeah. So I procrastinated and I finished getting all these patches done, and I just built it. So let's see if it runs. Okay. Well, as it turns out, it doesn't like it when there is a parameter that it cannot find. So, news to me, I'm just going to create another postfix and name it postfix2. And then redirect all of the patches that don't have a max distance to this. And we will 10F. Okay. Postfix 2. I'm fully aware. Okay. This doesn't have a float. This has a float. This has a float. This doesn't have a float. This doesn't have a float. This has a float. This has a float. This has a float. And this has a float. Okay, that should be all of them. Then let's rebuild and retest. Alright, so I've got BONEWORKS loaded up again, and well, this is just the default position it comes in. This shows up in. So let's just do a little testing here. Okay, so I rearranged my windows, and let's just do physics.raycast vector 3.1. Actually, dot up because that's 0, 1, 0. Vector 3 dot forward, and let's run it, see what happens. Wow, when you look at that, and it goes 10. Yeah, see? And it goes 10 units because the overload that was ran goes for 10. Well, because it doesn't have a max distance, but if I specify, I think that's int. Yeah, actually no, let's go with 1. But yeah, that's an integer and it treats it as such, but if you put an F, then it becomes a floating point number, and I may be stupid. What if I do 0.1? Oh, it's because they never changed this from postfix. Yeah. Okay, I think I might be having an issue with my skill. Whatever. I'll rebuild. See what comes of it. Okay, well, it must be some fucking crack. I guess this is why IL2 games are so annoying. For whatever reason, I just ran this once, and it appears to be firing off the second postfix as well. So I have a jank idea to work around this, and it's called wait, no. Yeah, sure. What do you want? Make field read only. Oh, it needs to be static. Duh. Okay. And then I'll make it public too. This is pretty annoying, but IL2 moment, I suppose. Was postfix equals I'm not sure what the hell I can do to like actually fix this properly. Because it's like an impossible task. Because firing off both of the fucking patches. I suppose it would be worthwhile to I don't know, man. Suppose I could make a queue and flush it on update and do shit then, but that's poor, very bad. And Harmony doesn't like it when there is an argument that does not exist. Okay, I'm gonna be honest, I'm not quite sure what the hell to do here. This is super annoying. Okay, I think I'm just gonna comment out the code and see if it still fires off the patches when only one of them runs, or when only one of them is patched. Let's try it. We shall see. Alright, so time to find out. Nope. Nope, guess I'm double patching a method. I don't know why, I don't know where. I may just be stupid. Or maybe it's adjusted the overloads I was working with. Oh wait, wrong one. By the way, that's Control E and then Control U to uncomment, and Control E and Control C to comment out a bunch of lines. Alright. I guess this is what we're doing. We're doing this now. Okay. Yeah. I'm just gonna fill this out and then fill these out.